Hello everybody, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel, and here I am going to start a new video lecture series for the networking. So in this we will see one by one all the concepts in the networking, and it's my personal guarantee that this video lecture series for networking is going to be very interesting and very beneficial and essential for you, either as a student or as a office person. Okay, so if you want to enhance your skill in the networking field, then this video lecture series is going to be very beneficial for you. So in this course, what are the things that we are going to see? So we will see one by one all the network and networking concepts, and with the help of network concepts we will see that we can establish one one word with a lot of opportunities. Okay, and also if you have a skill in this field, then any any huge organization or any organizations like Google, Amazon, Facebook can hire you at a very high scale as a either as a network administrator or as a network engineer. Okay, or as a network associate. So in the values we will see what are the topologies we are going to see one by one, and then after that we will see OSI model. In the OSI model we will see all the layers one by one in detail, and then we will see what are the uh, transmission media, either by wire or by wireless or by any other medium, and what are the hardware we will use in this networking, either in the hardware mode or in the software mode. And then if we have any problem in our network, then we will see what are all the steps to resolve those issues. Okay, so one by one we will see all the steps. So it's my humble request you pay your attention on this entire video lecture series, and if you have any questions, so you can ask me in the comment section. So we will see what is a network. So you can see here in this image that here is our antenna, and antenna is radiating information all the time everywhere. So all the people here are using this information only with the help of network. Okay, so a network is that have more than one computers that are linked in order to share resources such as printers and CDs. So they allow electronic communications, and after that the computer on a network may be interlinked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, or infrared light beams. Okay, and here we have all the type of networks which are used across India, all over the world, or we can say worldwide. We are using all these networks only. So the first networks is LAN, then after that PAN, then after that MAN, or we call it metropolitan area network, then WAN, wide area network, after that CAN, campus area network, after that storage area network, or we call it SAN. Okay, so in detail we will see each and every network and what are the advantages by using all of these, etc. Okay, so local area network is a network that is used for communicating among hardware, usually within an office building or home. So it means LAN is used only for small space. Okay, it's like a small office space or home place. So with the help of LAN, we can share the resources such as files or hardware devices in between a number of users, and its range is about some 80 to 100 meters, and speed is around some 8 mbps to some 8 gbps. And for establishing a LAN network, the requirement is that each hardware should have one wire. Okay, so and establishing cost is lower as compared to man or van, metropolitan area network or wide area networks, because space is because here space is small, so requirement is very less. And in the wide area network we have to establish wire wire over all across the space whatever we require. Okay, so in the end, LAN can be either wired or wireless, and on can be coaxial or optical fiber cables, and these are used in the wired LAN networks. Okay, so the LAN we can establish by wireless also. So we can see these are the advantages of LAN. Here you can see in this example, here sorry, so here you can see in this example, these individual computers are all are connected to one resource. Okay, so all these computers can access the files, information or resources from here, or vice versa, from this resource any of these users can access the information. Okay, with the help of LAN only. So in that we should have IP address of that resource along with IP address of that user. So advantages are that speed is very good, and after that establishing cost is very less because area is small, and in the last that we have a secured network. Okay, because no establishment from the outside, so no virus attack or malware attack we can see here, no? So the next is local area network, PAN. So PAN is a network that is used for communicating among hardwares, usually in the home. So again it's a small space network. So in this also we can share files or hardware that are used by a number of users, and speed is again around some 8 mbps. Okay, and this PAN we can establish by either wire or wired or coaxial cable or fiber optics. So advantages of, you can see here. So we have our laptop. So with the help of Wi-Fi or hotspot of this laptop, we can use our smartphones. With the help of hotspot of this laptop, we can access the our smartphone also. Okay, and here you can see, in this example you can see, with the help of our computer, we can attach our scanner or Xerox machine. Okay, so it's only small space model. So advantages are, again, speed is very good. We can immediate transfer all the files, all the information, and the cost is very less, and security is also very good. So I'm very very sorry for this small font size. So metropolitan area network. So now MAN is a large computer network that usually spans over a city or a large campus. MAN is optimized for a large geographical area than a LAN, ranging from several blocks of building to entire cities. MAN might be owned and operated by a single organization, but it usually be used by many individual and organization. MAN often acts as a high-speed network to allow sharing of regional resources. A man a man covers an area between 5 to 50 kilometer. Okay, so the example we can example of man, we can see that either your Vodafone network, Airtel networks. Okay, so in the advantages we will see, again, speed is very good, and speed is also good as compared to uh, local area network, and cost is also very good, and security is again a very important issue here. And when wide area network, so wide area network covers a large geographical area such as country, continent, or even whole of the world. A WAN is two or more LAN connected together. The LAN can be many miles apart. Okay. The world's most popular WAN example is the internet. So the internet you are using either in your computer or in your smartphone is the example of a WAN, wide area network. So that internet you can use anywhere, anytime. Okay. So advantages of WAN are also, speed is very good, cost is very high here because we have to establish one wide area network, and after that security is very good when you are using the internet. And then we have CAN, campus area networks. So campus area network we can understand with the help of one engineering college or MBBS college example. So in that we have one institute area, one hostel area, okay, one library, etc. So here in the image you can see here that in between we have that CN, and all around we have the institute building or hostel building, so we can access the internet from that CAN. Okay, so the benefits of CAN are cost effective, wireless, as well as wire also, and we can use that CAN either in the one department or in the more than one department. Okay, so advantages here you can see that speed is very good, cost efficient, and again security is a essential feature, and reliability is also very good. So we can have 100% assurance on this CAN network. That is why all the engineering colleges, all the huge colleges, so big infrastructures are using this CAN facilities. Now we will see the SAN, storage area network. So the storage area network is a specialized high speed network that provides block level network access to storage. SAN are around composed of host, switches, storage elements, and storage devices that are interconnected, usually a variety of technologies, topologies, and protocols. So it enables each server to access shared storage as if it were a drive directly attached to the server. When a host want to access a storage device on the SAN, it sends out a block based access request for the storage devices. So advantages of SAN are that low expenses, fault tolerance, okay, real time updates. So here the real time update means if you are updating anything on this SAN network, either image or video or any information, then these all the computers here will be updated at the same time. Okay, so as we call it real time update, and one administrator can have access of all these SAN networks. Okay, so it has one administrative control also. Okay, so for the video lecture number 1, that's it. Now in the future I will be back with more and more concepts in a easy and in a easy way, so that everybody, either a student or office person or anybody who want to learn the networking concepts, can understand them at a very easy manner. Okay, and if you have any questions or any doubts, so you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want anything extra, you can also ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.